Ever wondered how businesses leverage social media platforms to boost their brand visibility and sales? Let's delve into the fascinating world of social media marketing. This is no mere buzzword, it's a powerful strategy that businesses of all sizes use to reach prospects and customers. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms. It's all about engaging with your audience, building your brand, increasing sales, and driving website traffic. Imagine the millions of potential customers you can reach with just a few clicks or taps. It's a game changer in today's digital world, where everyone is connected and information is shared at lightning speed. In this fast-paced era, understanding and leveraging social media marketing is crucial. It's not just about selling a product or a service, it's about telling a story, a narrative that resonates with people. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets of effective social media marketing through a real-world case study. Meet BrandX, a small startup that transformed its business using social media. This is no ordinary tale. Picture a fledgling company, just taking its first steps into the vast competitive world of business. They're brimming with potential, but there's one problem. They're virtually invisible in their market, and their sales mirror this obscurity. It's a common scenario, one that many startups face in their early days. The challenge? Getting their name out there and turning that visibility into tangible results, sales. Now imagine if there was a platform that could connect them directly to their target audience, a platform that could amplify their voice and their vision. Well, there's no need to imagine because such a platform exists, and it's called social media. And so, BrandX embarked on a journey to harness the power of social media to increase their visibility and boost their sales. Let's explore how BrandX harnessed the power of social media to overcome these challenges. The first step in BrandX's social media strategy was understanding their audience. Knowing your audience is the cornerstone of any successful social media strategy. It's like trying to navigate an unfamiliar city without a map. You may have a general idea of where you want to go, but without understanding the lay of the land, you'll likely end up lost. Similarly, without a clear idea of who your audience is, your content can miss the mark, leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. So how did BrandX get to know their audience? They started by identifying who they wanted to reach. They asked themselves, who are the people that would be interested in our products or services? What are their ages? Where do they live? What are their interests? These demographic details form the foundation of audience understanding. But demographics alone aren't enough. BrandX needed to go deeper. They sought to understand their audience's motivations, their pain points, their desires. What problems were they trying to solve? What did they value? What made them tick? To obtain this information, BrandX employed a variety of methods. They analyzed their social media data, looking for patterns in likes, comments, and shares. They conducted surveys, directly asking their audience what they wanted. They even monitored relevant online discussions, gleaning insights from the conversations their audience was already having. This deep dive into their audience's psyche allowed BrandX to not just know who their audience was, but to understand them. They could now craft content that resonated, that spoke to their audience's needs and wants. They could create a social media strategy that was not just about promoting their brand, but about providing value, about forming connections. After all, at its heart, social media is about connection. It's about conversations, about shared experiences. By understanding their audience, BrandX was not just able to join the conversation, but to lead it. With a clear understanding of their audience, BrandX was ready to create tailored content. BrandX knew that to engage their audience, they needed compelling content. It's a simple concept, but one that carries a lot of weight in the world of social media marketing. The content you share is your handshake with the digital world, your first impression, and your ongoing conversation with your audience. So, how did BrandX go about creating content that was not just compelling, but downright magnetic? Well, let's dive into that. They started by understanding their audience's interests, their pain points, their hopes, and their dreams. They knew that to create engaging content, they had to speak directly to these aspects. With a solid understanding of their audience, they began crafting content that was tailored to their audience's needs and desires. They created posts that were informative, entertaining, and most importantly, relatable. They used humor, shared stories, and leveraged trending topics to make their content more appealing. But they didn't stop there. They knew that in the digital world, content is king, but engagement is queen. So they made sure to encourage conversations around their content. They asked questions, prompted discussions, and always made sure to respond to comments. They treated their audience not just as passive consumers of content, but as active participants in their brand story. Moreover, Brand X was consistent. They knew that consistency was key to building trust and establishing a strong online presence. So they created a content calendar and stuck to it, ensuring that their audience always had something to look forward to. But remember, creating engaging content is not about selling your product or service. It's about providing value to your audience. It's about sparking interest, stirring emotions, and creating a community around your brand. And that's exactly what Brand X did. They didn't just create content, they created an experience. But creating great content was just the beginning. Next, Brand X had to make sure their content reached the right people. After all, even the most engaging content is useless if it doesn't reach the right eyes and ears. But that's a story for the next scene. Brand X used strategic promotion to ensure their content reached their target audience. Promotion, you see, is the lifeblood of social media marketing. It's not enough to create engaging content. You need to push it out there, make waves, and get it seen by the right people. Now let's take a closer look at how Brand X did it. They didn't just throw their content into the digital wind and hope for the best. No, they took a calculated approach, using targeted ads and collaborations to spread their message far and wide. Targeted ads are a powerful tool in the social media marketer's arsenal. They allow you to zero in on exactly the people you want to reach, based on a host of factors such as age, location, interests, and more. Brand X leveraged this to great effect. They identified their ideal audience and created ads that spoke directly to them, in a language they understood and resonated with. But Brand X didn't stop at targeted ads. They knew the power of collaboration. They allied themselves with influencers and other brands that shared their values, reaching out to a broader audience. These collaborations were not just about reaching more people. They were strategic partnerships designed to bring mutual benefits and strengthen the brand's image. Think of it like throwing a stone into a pond. The initial splash is your content. The ripples that spread out are your promotion. The bigger the splash, the farther the ripples will reach. And if you can get others to throw stones in with you, the ripples become waves, and the waves can reach far beyond the initial splash. But remember, promotion is not just about quantity, it's about quality. It's about reaching the right people, in the right way, at the right time. It's about creating a connection, sparking a conversation, and building a relationship. Through strategic promotion, Brand X successfully increased their brand visibility and engagement. They didn't just spread the word, they shouted it from the digital rooftops, and the world heard them. And that, my friends, is the power of promotion in social media marketing. All of Brand X's efforts paid off, resulting in a significant boost in their sales. Let's delve a little deeper into how social media marketing can drive sales. Essentially, it's all about creating a community. A space where your audience can engage with your brand and where you can showcase your products or services in a way that resonates with them. Now let's take a look at Brand X. They've seen a fantastic increase in sales, and it's all thanks to their strategic use of social media marketing. Through targeted content and consistent engagement with their audience, they've been able to drive traffic to their online store and boost their sales figures. They've effectively used social media as a tool to increase brand awareness, engage with their audience, and ultimately drive sales. This is a testament to the power of social media marketing when done right. Brand X's success story demonstrates the power of effective social media marketing. So what can we learn from Brand X's social media success story? Well, first off, understanding your audience is paramount. Knowing who they are, what they want, and how they interact with social media allows you to tailor your strategy to their needs and preferences. Secondly, it's all about creating engaging content. Content that resonates with your audience, that catches their attention and compels them to share, like, and comment. It's about creating a two-way conversation, not a one-way broadcast. Thirdly, strategic promotion is crucial. It's not enough to just post content and hope for the best. You need to actively promote your posts, engage with your followers, and use the full range of tools and techniques available to spread your message far and wide. Finally, analyzing results is key. Without measurement and analysis, you won't know what's working and what's not. It's all about making informed decisions based on solid data. Remember, an effective social media strategy can transform your business, just like it did for Brand X.